Okay, cool. I almost forgot my intro, but hey.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Ooh. Hey, it's MATIC Monday. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video, and today, you know what I'm saying, it's MATIC Monday. So yes, you know, she kept it about the details. Okay, get into the eyes. Oh, I thought I saw something. Literally, okay, I love this look. I love this look so much that I decided to not do lashes. Having a few regrets, but that's neither here nor there. I think I'm literally gonna pop some on as soon as I start taking pictures. But yes, let's just get into the video. You know what I'm saying? What I'm gonna do is I've already put concealer on using my Juvia's Place concealer as a base today, and I'm gonna go in with this NYX Professional slide on glide on pencil, and I'm going to begin to draw a wing first. And with this pencil I'm just going to be like sketching it. Okay, so I have a sketch of how I want the liner to be. So what I'm going to do is go into my Blue Moon palette by ColourPop, and I'm going to take Tide Pool. And I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to go over that line right here. And this shade is so pigmented. Like literally, I literally love how this looks. Okay. Taking this pencil, and I'm going to keep my eye open while I do this. As you can see, I'm gonna go over and draw a line as well, just really defining my eye shape. I'm going with the natural shape of my eye. You can literally, I don't even know if y'all can see the sketch, like the little outline I do first with that pencil, because it barely want to show up. And I'm going right back in, you know what I'm saying, going right back in with the ColourPop. Oh, this is beautiful. And I'm gonna just trace the line that I did with the pencil. And I'm still not like worried about like making a mess, because everything is fixable. Okay, we can clean everything up, make it as detailed and sharp and smooth as we want to. You know what I'm saying? But do what you got to do first. Like this right here. And with the not pencil, but this is my NYX number 31 brush, and I just take it and go in and give it a good clean. Just clean it up like so, like this right here, like that. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, let me see, yeah, I'm gonna just go right up under here with my Juvia's Place. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take this lighter one and put it right here on the inner corners. Do a little right there too. A little right there too. Yes, ma'am. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take my Fenty brush first, and I'm just going to work on blending it out. You know what I'm saying? Wow, I literally just dipped into the freaking palette. I'm gonna use two brushes. Okay, this one is my Sephora brush that I'm gonna just use to really blend out the edges. You know what I'm saying? No biggie. Clean up those edges get those edges sharp. Am I focused? I literally, I don't know if it'd be my vision. After this video, I'm definitely cooking breakfast at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I sure will be. Literally, I sure will be cooking breakfast. What do you mean? I literally just had a major malfunction because this Juvia's Place concealer, it's really good, and like I like how it sets into the skin and all of that, but like it creases immediately. Like I literally have to rush to set it. I have to rush to set my face with this concealer because it creases immediately on my face, under my eyes, and I don't like that. But I mean, once it sets, it's set. Hey maid, I see you got on your maid outfit like you always do. Going in, you know what I'm saying, with my Studio Fix real quick, like, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Wow, this is beautiful. I need help. I need a lot of help, literally. I'm amazing. This is like my Sagittarius Sun, Aries Moon, Scorpio rising. This is my battle internally. Okay. Did I tell y'all that this was NC47? And I'm going in with my NYX No Filter powder in the shade Deep Golden. You know, love to top it with this. Y'all know this powder is my fave. Like, you know what I'm saying? Over, even when I was wearing liquid foundation, I would still set it with this because of the warmth it gives. Look at the, just what it do for the skin, you know what I'm saying? You know? And look, she back, literally. Okay, so I'm gonna just take, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna sweep away this powder. I was about to literally sing. Also, I'm gonna go in with my NC43 powder from MAC, okay? And I am, what is this brush? This is a Morphe M438 brush. And I'm just going to also set my under eye. I've been doing this a lot recently. I like what it does. I feel like it smoothens, like it literally makes my under eye look airbrush whenever I do this. Cause sometimes setting powder, just when I set with loose powder, like now that I do this, I notice the difference when I don't use this, because the setting powder, I feel like it emphasizes texture sometimes. You know, this is beautiful, beautiful. And then what I'm gonna do is go in with my Dragon. I'm gonna use both today, okay? I'm gonna start with the peach and with the orange. I forgot which one she said is like really intense. I think it's the yellow, I think. Excuse me. I have no idea. Sometimes they both look really intense. Oh yeah, no, it's the yellow. It's the yellow for sure. Yeah, I'm believing it's the yellow. Wow, I just cannot believe how my skin laid. And I think it's the oil that I used before this. Okay, just gonna bronze. I'm gonna just start by stamping. For some reason, I just want to stamp. Ooh. Should I have stamped? So like that, I'm gonna fix that. Okay, don't try to wear yellow hearts out. But I'm using my Beauty Bakery. I don't know if I said that. This is a Chanel brush. Yeah, she fancy. This is a Chanel brush. Yes. Do I know the name? I have no. Oh, it's the blush brush. So it's for blush. Yeah. I got this for free. So yeah, I do not know if I would ever buy like luxurious brushes, like I'm talking about like from Chanel and stuff. For one, I didn't even know Chanel had brushes. No, I'm lying. But yeah, I don't think I would ever, well, never say never. I ain't gonna never say never. I'm gonna just say I don't see it happening anytime soon, because there are way too many good inexpensive brushes on the market. Like, honey, where I don't have to spend no money on no Chanel brush. A lot of inexpensive brushes. I don't even know how much this brush really is. I'm just sitting here talking, but it's Chanel. Okay, it has to be a pretty penny. But yes, I like it though. I like the brush. That's why I use it a lot now. I literally use it for bronzer. I don't use it for blush, but I definitely use it for bronzer. Wow. Yes, yeah, it has to be that oil, because there is just no way that this application, like, I understand good makeup days, but no, this is not just a good makeup day. This is a difference in the way this stuff is laying, honey. Persona Cosmetics, this is Super Blush in the shade Terracotta. So I'm gonna take this, my NYX number 24 brush. Okay. Oh my god. I'm literally itching. Let me just do this side first so I can get, oh yeah, right there. Look at the color, honey, that we just pasted upon our faces. Just like this right here. This is beautiful. Wow. This is really pretty. It's really pretty. I low-key want to put it everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Like rub that a little bit, you know. It could be a like nice little blend transition between the concealer and the bronzer. You know what I'm saying? What am I gonna do now? I guess that's the real question, because I have no idea. I think honestly I've been eyeing Lumi. I keep eyeing Lumi. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of Lumi up in him. Okay. I'm gonna put Lumi. Did I want to do this? That I really want to do this? Yeah, it's giving a little something. We'll see what it really do when it's time to take these pics. That's when you know if something's really working out. How do you look in pictures, ma'am? How do you photograph? Are you photogenic? Yeah, like that. That's how you got to be with these products. Because I am, but just because I am don't mean these are, and that don't mean, you know what I'm saying, it's going to look right. Because we have to be a team here. Like this. Like this. Okay. I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all where y'all stand and go and put on my lashes, honestly. Okay. Just like that, y'all. Oh, what I did not, what I failed to mention was I came back with no lashes. But now that I've done this white, I just might still do it. Because I was like, do I really want to do lashes? Or do I just kind of want to let this look have its moment? And because I didn't want the lashes to crowd the detail that the eye is giving. You know, so I came back. I didn't even got on the lashes. Like this side, for some reason, like my eyebrows, my lashes, this side of my head, the hair on over here, it is all longer and thicker, okay? And then this side over here, the lashes, the brows, this side of my head, it's giving scarce. I don't understand that. It ain't giving scarce. Nah, I'm not gonna dog myself out like that. But it's just not as long. Like every time I put mascara on the top and the bottom, I be so amazed. But on this side, like, let me see. Like, okay, look here. You know what I'm saying? And then it's right here in this middle part. Am I tripping? I could be tripping. So happy I caught myself because I started talking. I was about to get into lips. Okay. I really keep this in the box because, like, in my head, I'm going to do a makeup haul. I'm actually going to do a makeup haul. Like, I just don't feel right having so much new products and, like, not doing a haul. Like, I'm definitely going to do one on my TikTok. But yeah, y'all done seen this so many times. And, like, I'm literally about to put it in the haul like it's brand new. I mean, it really is, though. Anyway, I'm gonna use my Smashbox Always Sharp lip liner in the shade Nude Dark. Just do a quick line, you know what I'm saying? And on top of that, I'm gonna go in with my lip glow oil from Dior in the shade Cherry, you know what I'm saying? Cherry. I feel like Cherry is my alter ego. There's Charity and there's Cherry. I can't believe I still have not put lashes on. Watch I end up putting them on later. Cause I'm literally, I don't think I'm gonna like how I look in photos. I really don't. But yeah, so that is today's look. You know what I'm saying? Quick liner moment, get into the details of it all. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please comment down below, let me know what you wanted to see from me on my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.